Bruno designs and manufactures products for people that have limited mobility. Bruno was founded by my father, Mike Bruno, in 1984. I'm very proud to have our family name on our company. As I grew up in the business, I learned about people and that attention to detail to make sure everything is right the first time. At Bruno, we produce straightened curved stair lifts to help people get up and down their stairs in their home. We produce vertical platform lifts so people can get into their home or into their place of work. We also produce automotive lifts that help people transport their scooters and wheelchairs around wherever they want to go.
I work directly with the Veteran Affairs. I make sure that our veterans are taken care of to make sure that they have the indoor and outdoor accessibility that they need. I take it personally as my son and daughter are both actively serving in the United States Air Force, so I'm very passionate about it.
Manufacturing in the United States really provides the best quality for our customers. It allows us to control the whole process, whether it's design, manufacturing, assembly, and shipping to our customer.
Here at Bruno, I'm a welder and I custom fabricate curved stair lifts. We take pieces, weld them together, grind them, make them look pretty. Everyone has a different degree, different angle. It rides perfectly before we ship it, and it's one of the best products on the market. It makes us feel very pleased that we actually built that, and it looks very nice in their staircase and in their home.
Bruno selects the best dealers, then brings them here to Oconomowoc, Wisconsin for training in both sales and service. They really help the customer select the appropriate product for their needs. They install that product with expertise. They also can support that customer throughout the life of the product. I'm so proud and excited that our company provides freedom and independence for so many people around the world.